It is possible to add the reservation key search widget to a WordPress website using the HTML widget in WordPress. One of the first steps to do is go over to your website tab, Reservation Pages, click into your page, scroll to the very bottom, and click Linking to this page, and select our search box code, which is in this box. I've clicked into it and press Ctrl+C to copy. Go back over into WordPress, go into Pages, All Pages, look for the page that you want to edit. Here we're just going to try putting this on the primary home page. So I'm clicking into that. And then we're going to edit it using their HTML editor, which is what I'm looking for at the moment. But maybe I'm in the wrong spot. Let's see here. I think I'm on the wrong page. Let's look back for the actual home page. One thing we can do is just open up the page. That's an easier way to find the page that you want to edit on. So here's our page that we're working on, and this is where we're going to be plugging in the search widget. We can see that this theme came with its own search feature, but that actually uses a different booking system and is not something that can be linked to ReservationKey. So that would need to be removed. But to add this widget, all we need to do then is click Edit with Elementor, which I think that this depends on the version of WordPress you might be using, whether or not you have this option. But in this case, we have it. So we're clicking it to get into the editor. And then once we have the editor up, we can scroll down, and then into a text column, it's possible to add HTML widget. So that's the key, to look for HTML widget, so that can be dragged and dropped. And once you've added that, I've already added one, so I'm not going to do it, but what I've done is I've added it right here. You can then edit it by clicking the Edit button, and then drop all of that code in that you pasted from ReservationKey right here into the HTML portion, HTML code section. And then that is how you get our widget into WordPress. Of course, you might need to tweak some of the HTML, such as the layout or the colors, which can be done using the style sheets. I also added float equals left to each element in order to get it to line up correctly on one column. For smaller screens, it will wrap onto a higher vertical column. And then just to test that, what you can do is go back to the main setup, exit to the dashboard, open up the page by clicking up here again. Brings us back to their previewer. Scroll down, click in the box, click some dates, and then click search, and if all works well, you should see that it brings you over to the ReservationKey booking page. And that's the basics of setting it up.